Tuesday's snowstorm might have passed here in Billings, but now the focus is on eastern Montana. Truck drivers and travelers headed that way are stuck here in Billings because the roads in eastern Montana are a mess.
For most of us, Tuesday's storm has come and gone, but that's not the case in eastern Montana.
It's still blowing and snowing.
Anna Straub lives in Baker. She can't even get into her garage because the drifts are so high. Baker has received 14 inches of snow and counting by Wednesday afternoon.
The roads in town are terrible. With the snow drifts, blowing snow, the visibility was horrible.
Fallon County has already closed all public facilities tomorrow because of the weather, and school has been canceled in Baker.
We're kind of in the eye of the storm, it seems like, and it's just really coming down good.
Molly Losing lives 20 miles south of town.
The wind is blowing so hard that it's making it feel at least 30 degrees colder.
She and her husband raise horses and are in the midst of protecting the 13 they have from the cold and have been checking on them every 2 hours.
I have the ones that I can blanketed, and we have windbreaks along some of our corral panels that some of them can get behind. Winter storm like this will shock them, and it will give them colic if you're not careful.
Further north in Glendive,
I was supposed to work,
Melissa Kwasny has been trying to figure out how to get to work.
but I haven't gotten dug out yet, so I am still at home.
She says a lot of her neighbors are calving and are doing everything they can to keep their animals alive.
There's been a lot of calves in the houses.
And getting to and from the eastern part of the state has been a nightmare. At Flying J's truck stop in Billings, truckers like Arnoldas Bernotas were stuck after learning I-94 to North Dakota was closed.
I'm just waiting to see which road is open. The roads I see, a lot of accidents, all over cars, on the shoulders.
Everyone agrees on one thing, however. We need the moisture.
This is probably the worst drought I think I've ever seen.
A blessing in disguise for all of Montana. In Billings, Alina Howder, MTN News.